Engineer Boy 100. Well, last year, one of my neighbors and I built this beautiful fence. It was a success and we were very happy with it. Well, today, let me show you something. On the other side of the yard, we're building another fence. Notice the string that we used to establish the cut height. Now we have to figure out a way to cut these posts off in an inexpensive and precise manner. So this is what we came up with. These are the posts that we'll be cutting, and this is a tool that we'll be using to align the saw. It's just a 2x4 with 2 boards screwed on either side. Watch how we use it. All right, guys, so this is our little tool, and what we use along with it is just a simple wood clamp from Home Depot. We made a mark, and it's 1 3/8 inches from where we're going to cut to where our saw will rest on the guide. So we put the guide on like so. The 2x4 is the width of our post, and then we simply clamp it in place. Then we take our saw and we do a cut on either side, like so. And just like that, you get a perfect cut every time. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Gabe.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you later.